Yeah, check out the veggie patch. Beans. Nice veggie patch down there. There's that villa right across on the lake there. There's a town we just come out of. Have a look at that very obvious formation through there. Must have been some pretty violent tectonic activity, faulting and all that sort of stuff many a year ago. Yeah. More uphill. Up, down, up, down. 5%, 20k an hour. Not bad. Bellagio. Some nice views across there. Bit too fast for my small chain ring at the moment. Can't be bothered changing. Oh, here we go. Cool, I'm stopping. Okay, I'm gonna have a quick peek around here. Get smacked into. Alrighty. That's not too bad. There's some beautiful looking buildings. Onwards. This is nice. Very nice. What have we got here? Got, I don't know, Centro. Well, we keep on going. Oh, what about it? I got that. Hey, we gotta get a chance to get through here. Just hang on a tick. The ride's coming through. Don't worry. We've done this before. Do it again. Hello. Yay. There's money here. Perfect. Thank God they're not tough on regulations and rules around here. Bloody hell. Check this out. What a hotel. Wow. 5-star. Check this out. Not bad. Get a quick view and go. They even got a nice swimming pool. Lovely view. Yeah. Nice swimming pool back there, Kud. Yeah. Cerbelloni. I wonder what that costs a night. The first Ferrari, bella macchina. That's where we are. Well, I was thinking to keep going and find the road to Lecco. Grazie signore. Niente problemi. Hey boy. Jesus, what a villa. I wonder if I can get a peek in here. Get a nice view. I'd like to get a nice view of the whole town if possible. Oh, looks interesting. We're getting there. All the way back up there. Yeah. I think I've been on that wall with Mick. Looks familiar. Yeah. Yeah, I think we came here with Mick in 2009. Ooh, far out. Almost went for a sixer. Okay. Should look up sometimes. It's a bit of a dead end here. That's a nice looking town over there. And we've got to find our way to Lecco one way or another. Oh yeah. Alright. Yeah. It's on candid camera. Oh! God, these are bloody terrible to pedal around on. Yeah. She bent right over in front of me. Oh, joy. Let's get out of here. Oh, this squeeze box. That's where we came into, so we got to go back out again. Giardini Villa di Villa Melzini, I think it was. There's a guy in the Ferrari. Porsche. Looked like a Ferrari to me. It's a Porsche. Alright. Now on the way to Lecco. And that's the end of the ride. The end of our grand adventure this week. Car like mix. That was a bit of hard yakka you can see down there, and we're heading on to Lecco. And now I guess we're going to head back to the lake area after a bit of travel inland. Just enjoy the descent. Alright. Oliveto Lario. Oh. Bit of a tight bend coming up. Yep. Oh. We're right on the lake edge. Been some notable villas and things. It was a bit difficult navigating around Bellagio. We don't know where we're going, and with our bikes it's a bit awkward. You can't get up and down stairs.